I'm doing a modern take on a retro prawn cocktail, but you can forget that Thousand Island dressing because we're using garden fresh ingredients. I'm going to start by searing off some peeled prawns. Now I've just drizzled these in olive oil and added a pinch of salt. These only need a minute or two each side to cook. You definitely don't want to overcook them. We're just going to rest them over here to get to room temperature. In the meantime, we'll start on our avocado puree, which will be the base of our prawn cocktail. We'll start with a whole avocado. Scoop out the beautiful flesh. Juice of a whole lemon. Tablespoon of olive oil. About a teaspoon of salt. And about a tablespoon of mint. Blitz that up until it's nice and smooth. Let's layer up this cocktail. We're going to start with the base, which is our avocado puree. Add about a tablespoon and a half to each glass. Next comes our watermelon chunks, just a good handful of those. A crumbling of Greek feta, the only kind of feta in my opinion. A few fresh sprigs of mint leaves, followed by 3 prawns in each glass. Finish it off with a garnish of lemon, pinch of salt, and another squeeze of lemon. Now here's a prawn cocktail that'll be the life of your party.